Now listen. See, in the last class already I have explained you what is the procedure behind calculation of that resultant forces. Okay, now here also one question is there. Okay, now on this hook, just now I explained, on this hook three forces are acting. Okay, now 70 Newton, 18 Newton, and one more thing, that is 50 Newton. Now can you able to see now?
Sir, I am not able to see your screen.
Now Vishal, can you able to see now? Rule number 2. Hello, can you able to see my screen or not now?
Yes, sir.
Visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
mobile screen. Yes, ma. Listen. Okay, now how to solve? I will explain you. Okay, now first we have to solve the horizontal component. Okay, now sigma h equal to what can I write? Tell me. Sigma h equal to 70 cos. See, this force is there now. Red one. See this one. Okay, 70. 70. I want to bring horizontal, means I want to bring the 70 Newton onto this x-axis. Okay, now what can I write here? 70 cos 50. Is it clear to all of you or not? 25 degrees plus 25 degrees. It's how much? 25 plus 25. 50. Okay, next plus, see, it is also 80 Newton is also in which direction? It is in horizontal only, means in the rightward. Okay, then what can I write? Plus next plus 80 plus 80 cos 25. Is it clear? Next plus this force. Okay, I am indicating with the help of black color. See, what is the magnitude of that force? 50. 50. I want to bring this 50 force on this along this axis. Then what can I write? 50 cos plus 50 cos 50 cos next 45. Till this point, is there any doubt to anyone? Tell me, ma. You have to resolve the forces horizontally. How I have resolved? 70 cos 50, next 80 cos 25 plus 50 cos 45. Is there any doubt? Rule number 51. 51. Just now you asked me now, sir, I am not yet able to get that point. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir, I got
At least 10%. Now, I listen. Now I will explain how to resolve the components vertically. How to resolve the components vertically. Okay. Now listen. Vertical component. What can I write? Sigma V. Okay. Submission of sigma V equal to what can I write? Sigma V equal to 70. Tell me. Rule number 51. Tell me. 70.
20 cos.
Sir, here theta is there. Here theta.
Okay.
Here theta is not there because we have to resolve vertically. Vertically means along the y-axis. Okay, now means you are, suppose if you are bringing this 70 Newton to this axis, then what can I write? 70 sin 50.
Sin theta.
Now it is clear. Sin theta
Sir.
means here 50, na? Now it is clear.
Yes,
Rule
sir.
number 43. Rule number 43. Now tell me, Mao, what is the next force? 80. How can I write to 80? You have to resolve this component vertically. You have to bring this 80 Newton along the y-axis. So what can I write? 80. Tell me. Rule number 43. 80 sine 25.
25.
Is it clear to all of you or not?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 102. Sir, mute your microphones. Now 102. What happened? 18 batch 102. Respond me. Next up. See. Next, what is the third force, my here? 50. See, 50 is in the negative y direction, means downward direction. Suppose if you resolve this force in the vertically, now then it will come in the downward direction, means that is negative y zone. Means what can I write? Can you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, sir. We can.
Next.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Minus, what can I write?
Minus-
Minus 50,
Minus 50
50
sine
Sine.
45.
sine 45. Now it is clear to all of you. Is there any doubt? Tell me, ma, if anyone have any simple doubt also you can ask me. Okay, na? Anyone have any doubt? Rule number 3, Habib.
Sir, in horizontal, how can we take minus after
No, sir.
70 sin 50?
Where I have taken, sir, minus positive
Yeah.
only, na here?
Here, sir, after 70 cos 50.
No. Positive only here. Positive plus only here. All in positive x direction only, na? This is plus only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, any doubt? Horizontal component as well as vertical component. So anyone? Rule number 6, Lalit. Sir, respond करो sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt ना?
Yes.
किसी को भी doubt है तो पूछो माँ. Rule number 10, Sai. नहीं, respond नहीं है उसके पास. Rule number 15. अरे you people are don't have any doubt. When I given the problems to solve, then no one is responding. Why? If you are not getting anything, you can ask me now, so that I can explain you. Now, next, what is our next step? We have to calculate the resultant. Okay, resultant. How to calculate that resultant? Resultant R equal to square root of submission of forces along horizontal whole square plus summation of forces along vertical square. Okay, then you will get resultant value. Any doubt to anyone? R. Sigma h value, just now we calculated. Okay, see, sigma h value. Substitute this value in your calculator, then you will get. Okay, next, sigma v value, substitute in your calculator, then you will get this value. Okay, now sigma h, sigma v. Okay, see, after calculating that sigma v and sigma h, then you substitute in this formula. Okay, submission of forces square root of sigma h square plus sigma v square. Okay, then you will get R value. Now it is clear. Next up, this is the resultant magnitude we know. Okay, now what about the direction? How to calculate the direction? Alpha equal to, tell me, alpha equal to tan inverse of sigma v divided by sigma h. Now it is clear. Is it okay or not?
How we get, sir?
Which one? Alpha value. Alpha value equal to, already I have explained now that thing. Tan alpha equal to, okay na? Tan alpha equal to sigma v by sigma h. Already I derived this one in your second class. Okay na? Second session. Is it clear? So you send this tan to the other side, then it becomes tan inverse of sigma v by sigma h. Sigma v value you know very well, already you calculated here. Okay, next sigma h value is this one. Okay, now substitute and get the answer. Okay, रूल नंबर 17. सर अगर रिप्लाई नहीं दिए तो मेरे को मैं एब्सेंट बोल कर डालूंगा सर तुम लोग को.
Yes, sir.
Asad, हाँ, tell me any doubt?
No, sir.
कुछ डाउट है, सिंपल डाउट है तो भी पूछो,
No,
ओके
sir.
ना? Don't feel shy.
Okay, sir.
Next, rule number 22. 22.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt ना? Next 23. उदित को बहुत डाउट्स रहते हैं. उदित.
No, sir.
No doubt ना?
No.
Simple thing only
Yes,
ना?
sir.
First you have to calculate
Yes,
resolve
sir.
the forces horizontally, next resolve the forces vertically, then you have to calculate the resultant force. After calculating that magnitude of resultant, you have to calculate direction, means the alpha value.
Right.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
rule number 39. 39. Respond नहीं दिए तो absent मैं
No
rule
doubt.
number से clear हूँ यहाँ पे. हाँ, बोलो माँ.
No doubt, sir.
0 to present, sir.
No doubt ना? चलो.
Yes.
Now listen. This is also same problem. Okay ना? Any one of you, rule number 23. Read this question. Rule number 23. पढ़ो sir, question पढ़ो. Rule number 23. उदित उन्हें आया चलेगा बीच में. Next, I'll pick from this section 2. Okay. चलो. Rule number 73. Rule number 73. Rule number 73. क्या हुआ सर? अनम्यूट करे, बात करो. Rule number 73. 46. You tell me, ma. 46. Rule number 46. Rule number 22.
Yes, sir.
Read that question, ma.
Sir, where is your screen? I can't. Sir,
Wait. Now read it.
sir, a system of four forces acting on a body is as shown in below. Determine the resultant.
Determine the resultant. We have to calculate its resultant of the given force system. Okay na? See, which type of force system it is?
Sir,
Concurrent
it's
force system.
concurrent.
Okay na?
Concurrent
Rule
force
number 46. Listen, concentrate here. Okay. Now, see, ma, till now we have solved the problems. In that you have observed that directly theta value is given. See here, theta value given 40 degrees. Here 60 degree given. But here theta value is not given. Here also theta value is not given. We have to calculate the theta value. But apart from that, he has given something, this one. Okay na? I am drawing with the help of blue color. This one. Okay na? One right angle triangle he has given. Is it clear? Okay na? This thing he has given. Like this he has given. Okay. This one he has given 1, and what about this one adjacent side as 2. Okay na? Then how to calculate the theta value? This value we have to calculate na, theta value. We know opposite side as well as adjacent side. Okay na? Opposite I have as well as adjacent I have. So that how can I calculate that? Tan theta equal to what can I write? Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent na, opposite by adjacent. Now theta equal to what can I write? Theta equal to tan inverse of, tell me, 1 by 2. Then what I will get? Tell me, tan inverse of 0.5, how much you will get? Theta equal to 26.56 degrees. Is it clear? Check in your calculators. Okay now, suppose if theta is not given, such right angle, these triangles are given in your question, then you have to calculate the theta on your own. Okay now, because you know this indirectly he has given this 1 and 2. You know trigonometry very well. Okay now, so that you can calculate the theta value. Is it clear? Rule number 19. Clear है नहीं है sir?
Yes, sir. Clear.
चलो अभी next this triangle. Here also one triangle he has given ना, like this, like this. Okay, now this is 4. What about this one? 3. I want to calculate this theta value. Okay, now how to calculate this theta value? Same, tan theta equal to, tell me, tan theta equal to what can I write?
Opposite by adjacent.
Tell me values, sir.
4/3, sir.
Very good, 4/3. So that I can calculate the theta value. Theta equal to tan inverse of 4/3. Tan inverse of 4/3. Okay, now theta value, tell me. Take out your calculators. Okay, now don't simply.
53.13, sir.
How much, ma?
53.13.
Very good, 53.13. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Who has given this answer?
Roll number 46.
46. Good. Okay, 53.13. Is it clear to all of you? Rule number 24. सर एक को समझ में आया तो नहीं, सबको समझ में आना यहाँ पर. Rule number
Yes, sir.
24.
Understand.
Okay, na? Because this type of problems will come in your university exam for 10 marks. Such a simple problems. Okay, na? ठीक है? If you not believe on me, then you can go and check that previous question papers. Okay, from OU app, you can find this type of questions. Next, here tak there is no doubt till this point. Okay, now what we have calculated? Tell me, till now we have calculated this theta value. This theta is how much? 26.56. 26.56. Next, what about this theta value? This theta value, just now 46 rule number has told me 53.13. Now it is clear, ma? Now, what we have to calculate? What is our first step? We have to resolve the forces horizontally. Now, what can I write? Tell me. 200 cos. Tell me 200.
Cos 26.56.
200 cos 26.56. Next, next again what we can write? Plus 100 sin 40 can I write? Can I write or not? Plus 100 sin 40. डाउट है सर? किसी को तो डाउट है तो बोलो मेरे को. चेक इट. ओके ना? प्लस
100 sin 40 ले रहे हैं हम.
यहाँ पे है ना, यहाँ पे है ना, हियर इट इज देयर ना 100 हियर एट दिस साइड. ओके ना, इन द फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. ओके
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Because
tell
it is a horizontal component, why are you taking sign?
अरे सर, theta does not line out onto that horizontal
yes.
axis. Okay na, that is the
Okay,
reason why. Already I told you this thing many times. Okay na? Next, what about left side forces, ma? 120 Newton is also there na? 120 is there or not? So what can I write? Minus 120 minus 120. Tell me.
Cos 53.15.
Very
Cos
good.
53.13.
120 cos, here I am writing cos 53.13. ठीक है? Next, what about last force, ma? 15 Newton is there or not? Positive or negative?
Yes, sir.
That one. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Very
Minus-
good. Okay,
Minus
na?
cos
Minus
cos 50.
Minus 50 cos 60.
50 cos. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Number 48. रेस्पॉन्ड नहीं दिए तो मैं यहाँ पे नंबर लिख नोट कर ले तुम्हारा.
Yes, sir.
48. हाँ, समझ में आया नहीं आया?
आ गया सर.
समझ में नहीं आया तो बोलो, फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दूं मैं.
नहीं सर, समझ में आ
सर,
गया.
हाँ
सर
बोलो
डाउट है
मत-
नंबर
बोलो डाउट क्या है?
प्लस 100 में साइन कैसा है सर?
प्लस 100 में साइन कैसा आया? देखो यहाँ पे फिर एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ मैं. देखो मैं यहाँ पे ये कौन सा है, ये वाला ब्लैक कलर से लिख रहा हूँ. देखो, सी दिस वन इज हाउ मच? 100 ना? Okay, suppose if I bring this 100 to this axis, then what can I write? 100 cos 40 ना, अगर यहाँ पे लाया तो मैं. ओके ना, नेगेटिव y में लाया तो. बट I am sending this 100, I am resolving this 100 force along this x-axis, along this x-axis. देखो blue color से लिखा मैं along this x-axis. तो क्या होता? Here theta is not there ना?
Yes, sir.
Theta is not there. Then what can I write here? 100 sine 40.
Sine 40.
Otherwise,
Okay.
suppose total this one is 90 degrees ना यहाँ पे. Okay. Suppose if it is 40 means what about this one? 50 degrees.
50.
Either you write this 100 cos 50 or 100 sin 40. Both values are same only. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
Thank you. No, sir. Thank
कुछ
you.
doubt है तो बोलो माँ.
Yes, sir.
No doubt ना?
Yes, sir.
सर -100 sin 40 आना चाहिए ना, उसमें
हाँ,
नीचे है ना सर?
y माइनस सर सी यहाँ पे क्या है पॉजिटिव x में जा रहा नहीं जा रहा है here it is going in the
minus.
positive अरे सर y माइनस सर सी suppose if it is going in this direction then it is negative x. What about this one is your positive x ना
Yes, sir.
negative x. What about this one positive y bottom side क्या रहता
नेगेटिव y रहता है।
y हाँ अब बोलो dot clear y
यस सर।
or still you have doubt?
नो सर।
Clear na? Next thing we had to resolve the forces vertically. Okay na? Sigma vertically. Okay na? So summation of V. Sigma V equal to what can I write? Can I write 120 sine 120 sine 53 point how much 53.13 अरे ये एंगल रूल नंबर 46 बोले सो अभी ठीक है नेक्स्ट व्हाट अबाउट दिस फोर्स में 200 पॉजिटिव ओनली ना पॉजिटिव प्लस 200 कितना रहता साइन 200 साइन बोलो कितना है वो वैल्यू
26.56.
वेरी गुड 26.56 next this one is next what about this force ma 50 and 100 it is coming in the negative y direction okay now suppose if you resolve this component then it is coming in the downward direction means that is the reason why I am writing minus okay now minus 50 बोलो क्या है साइन आता कौन सा था रूल नंबर 52 वेट मा don't tell anyone rule number I am asking to only 52 rule number Omar
Yes, sir.
बोलो मैं क्या आता हूँ पे 50
Sine.
वेरी गुड साइन थीटा वैल्यू बोलो कितना है टेल मी इट्स थीटा वैल्यू अरे थीटा that is there in front of you only na on the screen
Is 26.
how much अरे I am asking to 52 हाँ कितना है वो साइन बोलो सर 60 एटलीस्ट 1 2 3 4 तो आते ना नंबर तो बोलो देखकर नेक्स्ट व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन नेक्स्ट व्हाट अबाउट दिस आई एम इंडिकेटिंग विद योर ब्लू कलर ओके ना नो टेल मी व्हाट कैन आई राइट हियर सेम क्वेश्चन टू रूल नंबर 52 बोलो सर भाग गए नो रूल नंबर 58 रूल नंबर 58 लिख ले रहा हूँ 52 का रूल नंबर लिखा मैं अभी 58 का भी लिख लिया नोट डाउन करता हूँ हाँ 58 नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग 64 भी नहीं रेस्पॉन्ड कर रहा तो फाइनली मेरे को ही बोलना पड़ता कितना है यहाँ पे 100 cos
40.
ठीक है एटलीस्ट ये तो भी देखो सर तुम लोग रेस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर एटलीस्ट try to understand this how I have written this one sigma h sigma v any doubt है किसी को तो भी
No, sir.
हाँ नेक्स्ट इसके बाद में क्या व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप रिजल्टेंट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट रिजल्टेंट इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ summation of forces along h square plus summation of forces along vertical square then you will get r value after calculating that r value you have to calculate alpha value alpha equal to tan inverse of sigma v by sigma h. Now time is 10:07. Okay, now I will give 3 minutes time. Okay, now roughly try all of you calculate this value as well as sigma h, sigma v value, and tell me the r value, resultant value, and direction, alpha value. Do it ma faster. Your time start now.
Sir, over.
Wait. Others, let others also. I need the answer from others also, not only from rule number 2, not only from rule number 46, 22. Okay na? Except these students. चलो चलो करो मा जल्दी जल्दी फास्ट करो. Do it faster. Do it faster. Already 1 minute हो गया, करो. Now time is 10:08. सिग्मा h सिग्मा v कैलकुलेट करो जल्दी. सर बात मत करो सर, पहले करो. टाइम खाली है, 2 मिनट ही है तुम्हारे पास अभी. सॉल्व इट ऑन योर ओन. इसको पूछता हूँ मैं कि नहीं पता मैं मेरे को ही. ओके ना, रैंडमली आई विल पिक एनी वन रोल नंबर एंड आई विल आस्क. डोंट से एनी स्टोरी. सर आई डोंट हैव पेन, आई डोंट हैव नोटबुक, आई डोंट हैव कैलकुलेटर, पावर नहीं है. तुम्हारे लिए सर, वो मेरे लिए नहीं कर रहे तुम लोग. हाँ सॉल्व इट माँ, सॉल्व इट. लास्ट 1 मिनट. ऑलरेडी 10:10 हो रहा. 10:11 पे स्टार्ट करता हूँ मैं फिर. चलो, all of you stop doing that now. Rule number 16. Rule number 16. Tell me ma, what is the sigma h value and what is the sigma b value? Rule number 16. 1-6. नहीं आता उनको. रूल नंबर 16. अरे सर जो कराया वही पूछ लूँ ना, कुछ मैं दूसरा पूछ लूँ क्या तुम लोग को? हाँ, नेक्स्ट रूल नंबर 52. सर आप बार बार मेरा ही नाम ले रहे क्या सर? 52 दूसरे को भी पकड़ो ना बोल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट 69. व्हाट हैपेंड 69? अरे आई एम नॉट गेटिंग रिस्पांस. सेक्शन बी स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाई?
Yes, sir.
Is there
Yes,
any
sir.
problem with you?
No, sir.
Respond me. From day 1 onwards, I am not getting any reply from the section B students. अरे active रहो सो थोड़ा. Not tell me ma.
Sigma h is equal to 137.34.
Sigma h equal to 137. Next.
Sigma V is equal to 29.37.
Wrong. Those values are wrong. Next. Next rule number 22. Tell me, ma. 22.
Sir, I got sigma h value as 146.16 Newton and sigma v value as 65.51 Newton.
Very good, ma. Very good. Okay, now both values are correct only. See, while saying his giving his answer, he's mentioned that 146.16 Newton. Okay, now don't forget to mention that unit. Okay, now don't simply say that 146.16. Okay, now remember that unit is also very important. While giving any answer, don't forget to mention its unit. Next up, sigma h value. Resultant value, tell me, ma. 22. R value.
Resultant value 160.16 Newton.
Very good. 160.16 Newton. Next. Next.
Next direction
Alpha
is
value.
65.85 alpha equal to
Alpha value how much? Missed it.
65.85.
Wrong, sir. Once again, sigma v by sigma h you did, or sigma h by sigma v you did?
Sigma v by sigma h.
Then tan inverse of that value, how much you will get? Do it once again.
Yes, sir. I am getting same.
What you are doing, tell me.
So tan inverse of 146.16
Why
by 65.
146, sir? 146 is that your sigma h value. Sigma v by sigma h.
Okay, sir. Okay, right.
Don't do that silly mistakes, sir. Okay, na? Try to avoid this type of mistakes, ma. Okay, na? See, even though if he has correct value with him, okay, na, but he's unable to give that correct answer. Okay, na? When you practice now, you will not, definitely you will not do this type of mistakes. How much, tell me?
24.14.
Very good. All of you try to concentrate for a minute, ma. Listen here. This one is your positive x-axis. This one is your positive y-axis. What about this one? Negative x-axis. This one is your negative y-axis. Is it clear to all of you? This thing you people know very well. Now tell me, rule number 22, whether you got sigma h value positive or negative?
Sigma h value, sir, I got positive.
Positive means that is h means along x direction only, na, means positive x. You are getting that in the positive x direction. Okay, now this one is your sigma h value. Is it clear? Next, sigma v value positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive means again the sigma v value in the positive y direction. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes. No.
This one is your sigma v, this one is your sigma h. Okay, na? Now apply that parallelogram. Okay, na? Then when we are getting that, how we can get that resultant force? Just now you calculate. Resultant is how much, ma? 160.16. Okay, na? Just now you told na this value something 160
yes,
point
sir.
something. Okay, na? Means in between these two forces only, na, that resultant value will come. Okay,
yes, sir.
Means somewhere here. Okay, na? Somewhere here. I don't know where that one. Okay, na? Somewhere here. But at what angle it is acting? It is acting at 24.14 degrees. Okay, now this one is your R value. Okay, now what is the meaning of this one? Suppose if number of forces are acting on the body. Okay, now the net effect, either you take this effect, or suppose if you are the net effect you are getting now, that resultant value. Okay, now suppose if you are applying this much force at an angle 24.14 degrees, now the effect on the body will be same. Either you apply that many number of forces, or this single force of so and so magnitude and so and so direction, the value means the effect on that body will be same. Okay, na? Is it clear, ma? Rule number 43. Rule number 51. Rule number 51. नहीं आ रहा हूँ। तुम लोग सिर्फ ऑन करके कहीं बाहर चल जा रहे शायद सर। नेक्स्ट रूल नंबर 3, रूल नंबर 3 हबीब।
यस सर।
चलो मा डाउट है यहाँ तक?
नहीं है सर।
क्लैरिटी आई ना तुम्हारे को? ओके ना?
यस सर।
व्हाट इज व्हाट? ओके,
यस
how
सर।
to calculate that, how to resolve the components horizontally, how to resolve the component vertically, what is the meaning of resultant, and what is the direction meaning. Okay, see in
Yes,
this
sir.
problem on the day I have given, okay na, this problem as homework problem which is there on your screen, okay na, but I didn't get the response more than 10 members, okay na. So do at least, okay na, today you people again solve the same problem, same that those two problems. In the previous class I have explained that one problem and I have given two problems, and in today's class I have solved two problems, total 5 problems. Try to solve on your own, okay na. Yeah, by today evening I will send you its answers also, okay na, but try to solve on your own. Okay, now listen ma, see after solving this one, okay na, then you will get this horizontal component as -30, okay na, -30. -30 means in which quadrant might it will come? Are -30 means horizontal na, horizontal means see here, okay na, -x na, this one, okay na, mean it is reflecting in the second quadrant, okay na, -30. What about sigma v value? Positive means it is coming here, okay. Where the resultant will come? Resultant will come somewhere here, okay na. After calculating that r value, r equal to square root of sigma h square plus sigma v square, then you will get that answer. Then what about this alpha value? Alpha value will be tan inverse of this by this, then you will get that alpha also, okay. Rule number 25 कुछ भी रेस्पॉन्स ही नहीं दे रहा. Rule number 27, 25, not 23.
Yes, sir.
25.
Rule number
Now
25.
now tell me ma'am. Any doubt?
No, sir.
कुछ भी doubt नहीं है ना? If you have any doubt, tell me ma'am. I will explain you. Okay na? Simple thing. These are the simple things. Suppose if you practice a lot here na, then further units will be very easy for you.
Sir, how did we get 35?
Where ma?
35 cos.
Where? In which problem? 35. Which problem?
The before example problem, sir.
For example, problem 35. Can you able to see this screen now?
Yes, sir.
Check it. There is the 35.
Sorry. Sir, sorry. It's -50 cos 45, sir. That one.
-55. -50 cos 40.
Plus 50 cos 45.
In which problem you are asking?
Before problem, sir. Before problem.
Not this one.
Not this one.
Means that hook problem.
Yes, sir.
Hook problem.
Yeah, this one, sir. You just scrolled it up.
This one. This one.
Hook problem için sir. Hook 1.
One ma. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is there in this? 50 cos 45. All the hook problem you said no sir. This one hook problem only na. उदित एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए को माँ क्लास लो, ओके ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ. Sigma h, okay na? Sigma h equal to, is it clear? 70 cos 50. 70. I want to bring this 70 Newton along this x-axis. Can I able to write this as 70 cos 40? Sorry, 70 cos 50. Now it is clear. Rule number 51. Okay, now next thing. Next what can I write? Plus 80 cos 50 can I, cos 25 can I write? Okay, this is also no doubt. Okay, now you are asking, sir, how you can write 50 cos 45? That is your doubt. Okay, see, this one is your vertical component, this one is your horizontal. I want to bring this 50 onto this axis, onto this x-axis. Okay, now because I want to resolve the force horizontally. So what can I write? It is coming in the positive x only. That is the reason why I am writing positive. Next 50. See, theta lies to that. Theta is there along with this x-axis only, not so 50 cos 45. Suppose if you want to bring this 50 here now, then what you can able to write here? 50 sin 45. Okay, 50 sin 45. Now it is clear.
Sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, till now I have solved 5 problems. Okay, now take those all 5 problems as your homework. Okay, now I will make that all 5 questions as PDF. Again, I will post in that engineering mechanics group. Okay, now so that you can copy the questions from that group and try to solve those. Okay, now if you have any doubt, then you can message me.